You're on video. That's my friend Mark Downing. I've known him back in Antarctica, and he's here in Port Townsend. He's a pro tree cutter. Grew up in Quinault, big logging town, and he's gonna drop this big tree that I don't want to do myself because I'm kind of scared because it's not because it's really big, but it's really close to the house. But it's gonna do pretty much exactly my plan on how to do this, which is going to there, right there. It's a very tricky spot. We got propane tank here, electric there, my house there, and there's a septic behind my burn pile there. So there he is, making the wedge. Gonna cut the front first, make a wedge. It's a straight cut, and it's gonna do the angle down for the wedge. Checking it out. Got to zoom in as much as I can. Cut in the back. So this tree is gonna fall here in a few seconds. Putting a wedge on the back just to help ensure that it's going in the opposite direction. Checking things out, ensuring a safety fall. There it is. Right where he wanted it. Good job, bro.